track it, but it should all be in one go. So I'll just be narrating through kind of what I'm doing. I couldn't get my phone to audio record it, so this is just going to be a screenshotted video. But the first thing I'm going to do with this is just go into chat and just ask it to like lay out the steps. This user. And then I also have my code up here in VS Code. Initially, I'm just gonna need to create a start app. It actually doesn't tell me to do. Very okay. So now that we have the new app, we're just gonna start implementing everything in the modes and views and whatnot. Just copy this for the models. It's looking like takes the petition. Okay. And then we're probably also gonna have to create URLs. I guess it wants me to run migrations first. Forms. There's the forms. Oh, shoot. Okay. So we're gonna add a petition list view, petition create view, detail view, all that. Okay, and we're also gonna need to create a URL page. All this is going to go in views. And then we're gonna need to create a URLs page for the URLs. Okay, we got the app name. Views. Include this in your project URLs. This URLs for projects, so that's going to be up here. Okay, and then we're going to need to create a bunch of these HTML pages. So this is going to be petition list. So we're going to go in here and create a new folder. We're just call this templates, and then inside templates we're going to create another one called petitions. I hope I'm spelling petitions right. Then we're going to create one for petition list. Oh, I forgot to do HTML. Cool. We should have this pulling from base though. And then we're also going to need a petition form HTML. So we're just going to go ahead and add another one. Petition form HTML. Again, we're going to need this one to send based HTML, and then we're just going to need to do and block. Oh, I hope I didn't do that for this, so I did do it. Base HTML. Cool. So we have petition form HTML and then petition detail. We're going to go up in here, make another one, petition detail HTML. Same with this one. We're just going to need to extend it. We're gonna have to do some work there later. Okay, so I gotta make sure that the login and register URLs are working. Let's go ahead and see if we need to run any more migrations. We should be good. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so initially we didn't have it up here. We're gonna need to add something into the base to get it on the nav bar. And I want it if you're signed in. So if you're signed in, we're gonna add a class we're gonna add a button for petitions. It's under, so we're gonna go petitions. We're just gonna go to the list. Yes, that should work. Let's see if that crashes. It does crash. I don't know what the URL is. I want to add a button on my. I want to get to. Ooh, I don't think I added it in the main one. Did I? Oh, so that would be in URLs. No, I did add it over there. It's the same. Yeah, it is the same. It should be this. Oh, it's a semicolon. That's why it's throwing that error. So that would be, where's base? It's up here. we're just gonna. Oh, and then it's a class too. Yeah, nav link. So that's so weird. All of my other ones are periods. Okay. Oh, I actually don't want it all the way over there. I'm gonna move this up so that it's the first one. Yeah, we'll make it the first one. I feel like that would look the best. Okay. And then we go over here. I feel like petitions is also not spelled correctly. No, it is. Petitions. So we have one where you can create one. Let's see if this works. Let's log in with my admin user. That should be that. Oop. Why is this doing this here? Did I have another one? We'll try Kaylee too. This one work? Oh, that's so weird. Oh. This here. My goodness. We're gonna create another one. We're gonna call this one Kaylee 2. Just gonna make the same password. One. We'll go over to petitions. Vote yes. Can I do multiple? Okay, that's good. Okay, so we have one. Let's try and log back in as Kaylee1. Password, I think it's the same. Okay, then we're gonna go to this one and we're gonna vote yes as well. Okay, cool. So that works. I think for this one, I think just for sake of my sanity, we're gonna add a little bit of CSS. Because this actually looks really bad. Do we need to create a delete button? That's what I'm thinking. So log in, register an account, navigate to petitions page, create a new petition, log out, log back in with a second account, access the petitions page, vote affirmatively on the previously made petition, log in. So yes is increased. Okay, so that basically did it. So that's the implemented one. For just the sake of, oh, wrong one. Let's generate some CSS. Let's give it my current CSS just so it knows what it's doing. Follow the format of my CSS page. So new general page container, the list, the form, the buttons for those. I guess there's no back button, is there? Well, that's to create a, oh, there is a back button. Okay. There's just a back button from there. I kind of want a back button from here too. We're gonna copy the CSS. Ooh, my goodness. Copy the CSS. We're gonna put this down at the bottom. Okay. And then we're gonna go, I guess in each of the HTML and change the structure for those. So this is for petition list. Oh, I actually want to also extend base HTML and end content there. What's the other one? It's petition form and petition detail. Okay, so this is for petition form. Wait, we already did petition form. Oh, my bad. Wait, no, this is for petition list. Did I put this in the wrong one? Oh, no, I'm just tweaking. Okay, so this is for petition form. We're just gonna put this right here. And then we also have it for petition detail as well, which will show the details for each petition. Okay. And then, which page is it on? It's the petition list page. No, I guess when you're on here, whoa. I don't know how to save this. Save, extends base. Oh. Did I not save my CSS? I did save my CSS. Okay, let's run this. Python server. That's weird. The CSS didn't do anything. I guess it did. Ooh, okay. Cool. This whole thing just needs some padding. So I think that'll just be the whole container that should need some. Wait, let's see. Let's see if that actually does anything. Okay, so we're gonna change that to like 5, because I don't think the 2 is doing anything. Oh, actually, did it do something? Did it just take forever to load? Okay. I do want to change. Ooh, that's horrendous. Why is the button like that? I do not think it needs to be this linear gradient. It honestly, it could just be this blue. Ooh, that's wonky. We'll just make it this blue. I do like this blue. This blue's fine. And then I guess when you hover over it, we'll make it, what's a good color? We'll just make it a darker blue. So I guess if it's that, we'll just change it to, I guess, a little bit darker. What will be a darker version of that? What's was a dark blue. I guess not that one. This one. See a good color. We'll go with that one. 4 zeros, 8B. Oh, I guess that's really dark. I guess we'll make it more kind of that one, I guess. That one's good. We'll see how that looks. Oh, I guess I want it a little bit lighter. Wait, we're just... There we go. I think that's a good color. Then I do want this button also to be a little bit down there. That's on list. Oh, no, it's not. It's on details. The back to petitions. It's just an A raft. Just gonna delete some of these. I think we've got the functionality of it down. So we're just gonna be working on the styles aspect of it, I guess. I guess I could just do a break here. I want to make it look fine because it's just super close. Oh, so it actually doesn't do anything. If I do another break. Okay. Oh, it already voted. Oh, great. That's amazing. Okay. Actually, change anything. Okay. Okay, cool. That's not that important. Although it's funny it did that. I guess it's just... So don't know why the description is like that. I guess because it's a movable text box. I'm not super worried about that. This looks fine to me. You gotta create a petition. You got the JJ, which will update. It also has the time, which is cool, which is also messed up. I wonder what time it's getting. On the... Oh, no, it's over here. Let's see. I don't know, it's not a big deal for me. That's not a user story we need to implement. Okay, cool. So I think I've already tested all that. There is no way to delete it though. I guess also for my sake of mind, is there an easy way? We also have to push this to Python anywhere. Remediation. I'm going to guess that he wants us to submit it to Python anywhere, which is fine. Okay, we're gonna add this into the views for, where is it? There it is. These I think are new. I think we're adding a couple of these. We'll see. Okay. That one's new. Preview. I'm gonna add this in URLs. Ooh, we're gonna create another HTML page. Should do JavaScript? I guess no, it wouldn't be that. Oh shoot. Oh, I always forget the dodge. Alright, so now that we have that, we're gonna add it to the bottom of the detail page, which should be over here. We're gonna, this is just the container for this. Okay, so we're just gonna put it down here at the bottom, which it should be fun. And then we're just gonna add some CSS to that because of course, all the way down here at the bottom. Okay, let's see if it does this. If it breaks it. Okay, I think this was, oh, shoot, hang on, we're gonna try just running it here. Oh, what's coming up with this? Oh, it must be something. Wait, we're gonna see if it's on an actual error. Okay. If this doesn't work, we're just gonna delete the delete part. This should be petitions URLs. It might not be the imported stuff. I don't. I guess it's in there. Okay. Maybe that'll work. Oh, we're actually gonna put that above. It's formatted kind of weird. Okay. Cool. Super. So I guess just to run through it real quick. So we're gonna log out of there. One note to say is you have to be logged in to do petitions, which is a good thing, I guess. We're gonna log in with the first account. We're gonna go over here to petitions. We're gonna create a petition. We'll say this is for the movie, I don't know, Avengers. And this is a description of the movie Avengers. Say okay, and then we're gonna submit it. Great, okay, it's down there. And then I guess this user can vote on it. So we'll vote yes because we made the petition, so that makes enough sense. You can see the counter up here went up, and then we're gonna log out of this first account. We're gonna log back into the second one. I think it's the same password. Yes. We're gonna go over to petitions. You can see that it's still over here. And then the delete button did go away because you have to be the user who created it to do it. We're gonna also say yes to this. You can see how the counter went up here. We also get a little note down here about who had created it. This is just my username and the time. The time's messed up, but that's not part of the user story, so we're gonna go back there. You can also see over here it also went up. And this user can also create a new petition. We'll do this one for, what's another movie? We're gonna do Fantastic Four. Sorry, I only know superhero movies. Okay, and then we're gonna submit this petition as well. You can see down here, this one. This one's obviously, we're gonna say yes. We're gonna go back to petitions. And then you can log out. The second account, log back into the first one. We'll see that the petitions are also over here. This counter still says 2. The second added movie has 1. We're just gonna say just for this one for no. You can see it change over here as well. This one actually, because you're on the first account and the second account created it, you can't delete it. So I guess that's that. User it. I added a little bit of CSS for fun. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all of that. Now I guess we have to push it to Python anywhere. So with that, we're just gonna first push it to GitHub. So we're gonna go here. There wouldn't be any changes because nobody else is changing anything, but just out of good habit, we're just gonna pull from main. Something was changed. Okay, cool. We're gonna create a new branch. Although there's no people on this, good habit. We're gonna call this branch petitions page. Then we're gonna add this. We're gonna commit added petitions page and functionality. Okay, and then we're gonna get push origin petition page. Okay, and then we're gonna have to make a pull request inside of my own GitHub. This is always messed up. Whatever. Okay, we're gonna create a pull request. We're gonna see. Okay, no conflicts. Great. Functionality. Okay, we're gonna confirm that merge. Okay, we should be up to date with this. And then go to Python anywhere. I'm not logged in on Edge. Let's go. Forgot how to do this. Oh my goodness. I hate that. We're gonna see my project. Oh, is it just movie store? I'm gonna do that. That one sounds better. Okay, cool. So now that I've done that, if you made any changes, we're gonna need to migrations because of course. Okay, perfect. No migrations. Unhide the new using either the web tab and hit the reload button. Okay. Should see here. Oh, oh my god. On Python Anywhere? Oh my goodness. For allowed host? Why would it be changing that? In the settings? Whoa. Why is static up here? Okay. Oh, wait. This isn't petitions. I don't want to be in petitions. I want to be movie store. Go into the settings. Find for loud hosts. Okay. That's a weird bug. Oh, it was alpha. Why is it that? Whatever. Oh, it didn't import the CSS. I wonder if it'll save. Oh, no. Great. That's so weird. Why didn't it do the CSS? That's so weird. That's so stupid. Okay, usually the problems with static files. Oh, it might be because that static file is for some reason up there. Is it also? Ugh, hold on. It's also for some reason. It's in static is also. It's supposed to be in movie store. CSS. Today, does it have? Yes, it does. Wait, what's in this static then? Why is there a static here? This also have a CSS file. Wait, that's so weird. Does it also? What's an admin? Interesting. What is all this? Wait, is this in here? That's so weird. I don't remember it being there. Static URLs. Oh, why do I keep doing that? There's a button at the top. Am I going settings? Looking for static. The DRI is a base DRI. I guess it's static root. It's not on here, I don't think. They're weird between there, yeah, it is. Okay, so static root is in there. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, I have to remember I added that line. And then, so once we do that and then do the collect stats, I guess that would be in bash. Collect static. I low-key feel like I shouldn't have done that. but let's see if it works. Oh, nope, gotta reload the page first. Okay, let's get out of here, go into the web, reload it. If this messes up all the CSS, I'm going to submit without CSS. Wow, it actually didn't do anything. That's amazing. It's definitely that folder. It's definitely that folder. Oh, and it created a new one too? Wait, okay. Oh my goodness, in Python, anywhere. So I have a static folder in the movie store folder. It's a movie store. It's just in, well, that's in static CSS. Is this the updated file then? Inside of this CSS? It is the updated file. So, CSS file. I'm trying to think, did my HTML? Oh my goodness. I guess it extends base. Oh, I love ChatGPT and the emojis, bro. Okay, right now you've got two different static folders. Yes. I don't think I need the static folder. What code is this? This is in settings. So let's go back here to movie store settings. To make sure all the static stuff is right. So we're just gonna delete this and all of these. Should put that in. That's the destination. What was the source and destination? Okay. I think this is just old CSS, I'm gonna guess. If this is old CSS, this whole folder is getting deleted. Because I don't think this is necessary. I think that was a mistake. Let's see. Actually, we'll run the bash console real quick. See if it needs anything. Collect static. Okay. If collector sends too many is overrule existing file. Do I want to overrule the existing files? should I do this? I'm assuming it says yes because I'm assuming it. Yes. Yeah. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. Wow. Oh, 40 mile. Dated. Is that that's a good thing, right? Okay. Let's go back. Oh, should not have done the CSS. That's what's causing all these errors. That's wild. 344. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wait. Where did the bottom go? Not my monkey, not my circus. For real, for real. Oh fuck it. Also messed up this. For some reason it messed up the footer and the about. Ugh. Might not have wanted to do that. Okay. Let's go. Oh. No. Is the text still here? Okay, the text is still there. It must have just messed with the footer then. Oh, we're actually just gonna do this on files. And the files. Cool. What if I just end up deleting all the CSS? I think that would be fine. I don't think the CSS is important. Oh, but the CSS looks fine. Bruh. We'll problem solve this. Okay, so that still didn't fix the CSS in Python anywhere. Also messed up the CSS for the footer. Can you make sure templates have this exact setup? Well, I don't. Oh, are none of them loading static? Oh, that might be a problem. Actually, I don't think any of my HTML files are doing that. Let's see. No, they're not. I think it goes like that. Right? That's what all my other files are. Like this one. No, none of those have load static either. I guess that one does. That one has load static after block content. So I guess we'll put that at the very bottom. Maybe that's why. Okay. What else does it say to problem solve? It's directly, but not on Python anywhere at the top. Okay. Honestly, that might be what it is. We should see styles. Okay, we'll try that too. Okay, wait, let's reload. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have messed with the CSS. Okay. Let's see. I want to do consoles. Let's just see if it's actually. Maybe it's because it's style. Maybe that's why. Maybe. Hang on. Did Chad mess this up? I can't remember without the S. Storms serve. Bro, I'm not renaming the file. I think that is it called? Why are they called style? Bro. Well, let's. Well, they should be extending base, so that shouldn't be the problem. But let me see if the base HTML calls it styles. No, base HTML is fine. That one works fine. Let's go. This messes me up so much. It's always styles. Always styles. It's literally always styles. I bet it's up here in here. Oh no, where is it? Settings. It's in settings. It's in settings. Movie store, settings. Let's see the chat. Static, movie store, static files. Style. So that also shouldn't be a problem. Why is this not loading? There's no way there's a second CSS file. I think all the CSS is messed up. So I'm thinking maybe it was that file. Maybe I did need that file. This is in the same. Issue. can't imagine why, because it's maybe why. But it shouldn't be like that because it should have gone. It should be calling to. Should be calling to this one. Oh, tweet tab. Movie source static files. You know what, ChatGPT? You're literally tweeting. Oh my goodness. Okay, it actually finished it. Okay, cool. Okay, so use collect static, copies everything into movie source static files. Check your settings. Where static root is. Okay, so I guess it might have been something with the collect static that didn't go right. Because the setting I'm 99% sure works fine. So we're gonna use the oh, I see. You should have exactly one mapping. Oh, okay, wait. That might be why. Where's the static files? Okay, that's why. It should be URL static, and then it should go to. Okay. Should go to movie store static files. Ooh. Actually, we're just gonna copy this whole path because I don't want to mess this one up. That's probably why it's doing it, because it's automatically the bootstrap. Okay. That's why the footer looks so messed. That's why only the footer looks messed up. Okay. Wow. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, great. Let's make sure that this all works in Python anywhere. So we're gonna log in with, I guess, the second account first, because that's what automatically came up. We're going to go to petitions. I think I ended up creating this one. So we're gonna vote yes, but it already said that. Okay, great. We're gonna go back. We're gonna create another position. Oh my god, what's Cinderella? Cinderella, a princess movie. We're gonna create this one. We're gonna say yes. We're gonna log out, and then we're gonna log back in to this account, first account, and we're gonna go over to there. We're gonna vote no for this one, and then this one we're gonna change it to yes. Great. Yeah, the ID is 3, and this one should be 4. Great. Okay. Cool. I think that's everything. Just got a little bit of CSS, so no biggie. Make sure, okay, they can log in and register an account, have an patient name, create a new petition, log in and out. Second account, access petition page and vote affirmatively on the log in another account, verify the average. Yes is increased. Okay. Amazing. Okay. So are we okay? Amazing. Okay, so now that we have that implemented, I'm going to stop the video and compress the video down and probably end up doing a OneDrive link to it. But that was my process from start to finish. The actual implementation of this user story took like 20 minutes. And then I spent 30 trying to figure out the CSS, and then like another 20 trying to figure out Python anywhere. So next time I will not do the CSS. It'll just be boring. But yeah, that's the video from start to finish. But yeah.